ここや。
And it's locked. Damn. Okay, stay quiet. The manager must be around there somewhere. Take him hostage. He should be able to get us in. Easy on the triggers with civilians around. It gets expensive real fast.
You've reached Toyer Autos. How may I help you?
They got a new IT guy on the books. If we can find his name and hack his PC, we should be able to open that door for you. Okay, give me a minute or so.
注意せえ、警備員や。警備員。警備員。
Stand by, gang. All right, I got it. The storage room is now unlocked. Go get the car keys. Great. Papa Bane will take care of these. Now, return to the key storage room. Now for the fun part. Steal a car. I'll blast the road. Take cover. Now burn some rubber. See that nice big hole? Drive through it and hit the gas. Just leave the car in the container and mosey on out. We're nearly done. Now get the hell out of there.
Fantastic.
You did it. Got a couple of Russian oil playboys that'll pay over the odds for these wheels. Nicely done.